In question 3, it says to write the explicit rule for the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so it tells us we're going to use arithmetic. We should automatically think linear function, so we're going to be writing something in the term in the format of y equals mx plus b. But since we're talking about a sequence, remember we usually use that notation of a sub n. So my y is going to be replaced with a sub n. Now, in this case, they give me the a sub 1 term, they give me the first term, and then they give me the recursive rule for that sequence. So I already know what a sub n is. It's 27. They've identified it for me. And then I need to know the common difference. I need to know my slope for my sequence. So if you look up here, since they gave us the recursive rule, we're starting with this first formula. And the number that they add at the end, that is your d. That is your slope. So we're going to take that out of the equation that they gave us. This is a recursive rule for an arithmetic sequence. We're trying to write the explicit formula in the end. Okay, so now I'm going to look at this formula, which I have right here, and I'm just going to fill in the variables that we know. We know what the first term is. The first term is this 27. And we know what the value of d is, my common difference. That's 4. Again, we got the 4 from the recursive rule, the number that they added at the end, that is your common difference. That's what I plug in for d here. And now we can just simplify this so that we have something that looks like slope-intercept form, that looks like an equation of a line. So when I have parentheses like this and then I have multiplication, remember we have to distribute that 4 through. So I'm going to have 27 plus 4n, because 4 times n is 4n, and then 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And when I simplify that, the 27 and the minus 4, those are like terms. They're both constants. They're integers, so I can add them together. So 27 minus 4 would give me 23 plus 4n, and that's a sub n. It's my notation. So then I just go match that up. Notice how they have, in my answer choices here, they have the n terms listed first. They have the slope first. So I can flip-flop the order of this so that it matches what's going to be in the multiple choice. So 4n plus 23, that matches with choice B. So choice B would be the correct answer for question number 3.